Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to steam prawn and vermicelli with mala sauce. This dish is tasty with prawn's sweetness taste. And it is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. I share new simple recipes every day. If you like simple cooking and happy eating like me, then you have come to the right channel. Follow me now. Otherwise, you may not find me if you accidentally delete it after accumulating 365 recipes a year. You can cook every dish differently in a year. Vermicelli, ginger, mala sauce paste, chopped garlic, prawns, spring onions. Soak vermicelli in hot water until softened and set aside. Chopped ginger. Onion white and onion green and placed separately. Remove shell and prawn intestines. Drain vermicelli and place into plate. Place prawns on vermicelli. Chopped chopped ginger and mala paste on prawns. Steam with high flame for 5 minutes until prawns are cooked. Air fryer chopped ginger, chopped garlic and onion white with cooking oil at 180° 10 minutes and set aside. Smells so good. Let's make a seasoning sauce for steamed prawn. 1 tsp light soy sauce. Mix well, then drizzle on prawns. Place fried onion, garlic and ginger on prawns. The delicious steamed prawns are ready. I wish everyone will be happy after eating this dish. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe, Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.